Dear friends, in this video, I will tell you how you can delete a YouTube video. If you like the video, please like it. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. This is a step-by-step process. In the first step, open your Chrome browser. Second step, go to the youtube.com website. Third step, log in with your Gmail account. Step number 4. Here, click on the profile icon, which you can see at the top right corner. Step number 5. Here, go to Creator, YouTube Studio. Step number 6. Here, go to Videos. And here, in Videos, the final step is, click on the 3 dots and click on Delete Forever. Uncheck the box and click Delete Forever. And in this way, the video will be permanently deleted. If you want to delete all videos, then select them as well. And you can delete forever. If you like the video, please like it. If you're not on the channel, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And please share this video with your friends generously.